How about another low ABV cocktail? Welcome back, and today we're going to talk about Sangra, or Sangaree. This cocktail was created in the 1800s and incorporates port wine with a spirit. Brandy, cognac, heck, you could probably even incorporate whiskey into it if you wish. And Dr. Jerry Thomas was really known for having a very simple Sangra. Sangra is called that in reference to blood-like color of the cocktail, which would be similar to what sangria is, and also what could have been known as hippocras from ancient Rome, I believe. It's pretty easy. I've never had it though, so let's get into this. Need my mixing glass, and I need to fill this up with ice. And now to this, I'm going to take my simple syrup. Typically you should go with a little bit of sugar and water. That's what this is. That's all simple syrup is. I'm going to go 1/4 ounce. And now to that, I need 2 ounces of either brandy or cognac. I'm going to use cognac, and I'm going to use this Courvoisier. I think it is. Pierre Ferrand 1840 would be fine as well. Completely up to you. And I need 1 ounce of port wine. I am using Ruby Port. And of course, bar spoon in, nice stir. Now once that's done, grab your neck and nor, julep strainer, Hawthorne if you got it, strain in. And now for garnish, grated nutmeg. I don't have any whole nutmeg, I apologize. So I'm just going to use some ground nutmeg, and I'm just going to do a light dusting of ground nutmeg. And this is a cognac Sangaree. Cheers. Okay, that's cool. The cognac and the port, the ruby port, it works. It works well. Slightly sweet, still more on the dry side for my personal taste. But there's nothing wrong with this cocktail. It's, to me, the port leads, but it's quickly round back by the cognac. And no, this is a pretty good cocktail. Now giving it just a few seconds to meld a little bit more. It's a fine cocktail. It's sweet, goes into dry, into a little bit bitter at the end. But I can't find a complaint on this at all. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. You can find all the barware that I use on my show down in the links below. There are Amazon affiliate links. If you click one of those, make a purchase of that item, I receive a bit of the kickback. Thank you in advance if you choose to do so. You can find me on my socials right here. I try to stream on my personal YouTube page, youtube.com/ScottWSmith, Saturday nights 8 p.m. I admit I've gotten a little bit off on that. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. And this has been The Beginner's Bar.